Hello and welcome to Pakke. So I would just want to talk about the mechanics in this game. So as you can see by here, there are some of it that we develop, which is first as you can see the speedometer, and then the package waypoint, which shows the direction to the objective, and that's the the random spawn mechanic, and also I'll be showing changing uh, vehicle mechanic. So as you can see by speedometer, uh, we're moving according to the speed of the vehicle. So the gear will be detecting the speed as well. And yeah, that's it. Okay, just want to talk about the package mechanic. So if we pick and we get extra time, and the next objective will be randomly spawned. So yeah, that's it. And then after we complete the delivery, it will be show we have complete one delivery. Right. About the package. So these are the random package. So it will be either this one, which is EMP, supposed to be disabled for the enemy. So if there's enemy behind you, you just press Q, and then supposedly the EMP or projectile will be out, but it's only limited to one. So yeah, that's it. Mm, let's see if I can get another type of bonus item. Alright, so alright, so this is EMP, throw it away, and let's see if I can get another one. EMP, and okay, extra time. So that's it for the bonus. And then I want to show you the another one, which is swapping vehicle. So press E to swap vehicle, and voila, I'm driving a new vehicle instead of old one. I can it there. So the timer will be updated after I get completing a job, pickup, or maybe getting extra point. So as you can see here, everything has been put into a blueprint, and then there's the small function, and everything has its own reference. Yeah, it's kind of hectic. Um, Most important thing is everything is all of the variables in game was set in game mode because this is a global variable. And yeah, I think that's all I can say. Well, uh, look at the mechanics, and I think that's it. Have a have a great day.
Hi, I'll be presenting the AI mechanic in our game. So first off, the AI will drive around until it spots the player, and then it'll begin chasing the player. Something like this. So now it spots the player and it starts chasing it. So let's see how it works. Firstly, the block on top here is to detect if the player is behind the AI or not. So if it is, then you'll set the function, the variable to true, or else you'll set it to false. Then this checks if the AI spots the player, and then if it spots the player, I'll set it to true. So let me go into the chase function. So the chase function is basically first, the AI will get its current location, and then it'll get the location of the player, and then it'll minus those two values to get the player distance. And then from there, it will check if it's above 1000 meters. If it's true, then it will set the chase to false because it's far further away than 1000 meters. But if it's false, it'll return the steering value. So here the AI is calculating the angle in which it needs to turn to face the direction of the player, and then it returns that value under steering. So back to the main event graph. Firstly, under throttle, it will check if the player is being chased or not. If it's not being chased, the AI will go under cruising speeds like that, not too fast. And then, however, if it is false, if it is true and the player is being chased, it will check if the player is in front of the car, in front of the AI or not. So if it's not in front of the car, it will start reversing, and if it's false, it'll go straight ahead and with full speed. Here on to steering, we have it'll once again check whether it's under chase. So if it is chasing, it will get the value from the chasing function earlier, and then it'll set the steering input as that, as the value of that angle. However, if it is not chasing, it will follow the designated path that we give it and just patrol the area around it.
All right. So there's one more thing that I would like to add, which is the main menu system. So instead of doing it in 2D way, which is just putting several buttons and background picture in it, so we make a 3D environment, which is consists of the button and some models in it, and we add some lighting and some camera movement in it. So we like to make the menu become more alive. So as you can see that was shown in the video, this is how we create it, and every click to the each button will be directing to different side of the uh, screen. And yeah,